Biosound is a concept of healing that involves using sound and vibration frequencies to promote physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. This therapy is based on the idea that everything in nature has a range of vibration frequencies and that different frequencies have a positive influence on our body's energy flow, which has a profound effect on us. Sound waves move through our body and have a direct effect on our cellular level. How does it work? When thoughts are created in our brain as some form of energy, it travels via a vocal column, vibrate, and creates a frequency. All atoms, molecules, cells, and organs in our body are vibrating and produce sound. We do not hear these sounds since they have a lower frequency than our threshold of hearing, which stands at about 4000 Hz. A voice can be shown as a holographic pattern, representing the body condition. Although the body has a self-capability of diagnostics and generating required a self-frequency for normal body maintenance, it is stimulated by outside base universe frequencies such as light, sound, or by other stimulations. We are using the Rife frequency system as alternative health, a concept of healing that becomes a health reality in some hospitals, physical therapists, and chiropractors. Sound is the most powerful healing system when it uses frequencies. This frequency representation travels directly to our brain via a nerve transmission. It is interpreted as an input, and reacted as an output, with a specific frequency command to the body parts. We placed headphones over the ears, stomach area, or speakers on the body for 40 to 60 minutes daily until the problem is eliminated, compared to Chakras and Ancient Tones can run all day and do deep meditation. Sound healing is a practice that involves using sound vibrations to promote physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. The idea behind sound healing is that different frequencies and vibrations can impact the body and mind in various ways, and that certain sounds can help to balance and restore the body's energy systems. Some studies have suggested that sound therapy may have beneficial effects on the body and mind. For example, some research has found that sound therapy may help to reduce stress and anxiety, improve sleep, and alleviate pain. It is important to note that sound therapy should not be used as a replacement for conventional medical treatment and that it is not a substitute for professional medical advice. However, many people find that sound healing can be a helpful complementary therapy for managing stress and promoting relaxation. Healing tones have the most effective waveforms and frequencies used throughout history. Running these special frequencies in the background of a room can work wonders. A normal frequency generator cannot generate these frequencies and waveforms correctly. Biosound processes these frequencies and makes them effective. When the immune system is compromised, when meridian and chakra, energy, systems are severely misaligned, stress and anxiety can lead to depression and diseases. This affects the physical, mental, and spiritual aspects of life, and may lead to suicide for someone who was depressed. At Nature Wave Healing in Vancouver, BC, Canada, we offer many sounds tones healing. For more information, please visit our website. The following frequencies are associated with releasing feelings of guilt and fear, promoting a sense of security and grounding. 417 Hz, this frequency is said to help with undoing negative influences and facilitating change and transformation. 528 Hz, this frequency is known as the love frequency and is said to promote healing, positivity, and connection. 639 Hz, this frequency is associated with enhancing communication and promoting understanding and harmony in relationships. 852 Hz, this frequency is said to help with spiritual awakening and connecting to the divine. 432 Hz, this frequency is believed to be the natural frequency of the universe and is said to promote relaxation, inner peace, and a sense of well-being. These frequencies are used as part of meditation, yoga, or other relaxation techniques. They can also be incorporated into music compositions or listened to as standalone recordings. If you are interested in using solfeggio frequencies for your potential benefits, you can find recordings online or through music streaming services. Since sound is more effective, and better communicate in water than it is in air, and since our body cells are made up of 90% water, there are no risks to sound music frequency healing. Water and oils retain frequencies and structure for some time depending on their consistency. Properly inducing frequencies into the water causes it to become structured. This allows for making remedies for immediate consumption or topical remedies. Studies have shown that sound audio can help, support, and accelerate healing in the body. Viruses, bacteria, and parasites will be destroyed when they resonated at their resonant frequency. It will not harm the good cells because the good cells have a different resonant frequency. Healing tones, also known as sound healing, is a practice that involves using sound vibrations to promote physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. There are many different types of healing tones, including singing bowls, gongs, chimes, and tuning forks. These instruments are often used in combination with meditation, deep breathing, or other relaxation techniques to promote a sense of calm and relaxation. The idea behind sound healing is that different frequencies and vibrations can impact the body and mind in various ways, and that certain sounds can help to balance and restore the body's energy systems. Unlike electrical devices that may harm the heart or the pacemaker, the body naturally accepts sound. Frequencies do not harm the cell's body. It is advisable to stay hydrated by drinking water when running them and follow up the session with a detox preset for 10 minutes. The session may run from 60 minutes to 2 hours depending on the needs. We also offer free of charge 46 different sound healing tones, such as abdominal pain, abscesses, acne, acute pain, anxiety, backache, cold, coughing, dental general, depression, detox, disc herniated, dizziness, fatigue, fungus, gout, hangover, hay fever, headaches, herpes general, hip pain, impotence, infertility, inflammation general, influenza, insomnia, itching, knee joint pain, malaria, migraine, mold and fungus, sciatica, sexual dysfunction, men, stiff shoulder, tinnitus, urinary tract infections, and vertigo. We have 2,577 preset frequency programs and thousands of different frequencies to offer. Each program of the Rife frequency system uses up to 30 frequencies in one session. Yes, we run these frequencies all at once. It is difficult to say which of the frequencies we use is the best or most beneficial for the human body, as the effects of sound frequencies can vary from person to person. Some people may find certain frequencies more helpful than others depending on their individual needs and preferences. The best way to determine which frequency is most beneficial for you is to experiment with listening to them and see how you feel. You can try incorporating them into your meditation or relaxation practice and see if you notice any positive effects. Although some studies suggested that sound therapy may have beneficial effects on the body and mind, some researchers have found that sound therapy may help to reduce stress and anxiety, improve sleep, and alleviate pain. It is important to note that sound therapy should not be used as a substitute for professional medical advice or a replacement for conventional medical treatment.